Hi guys! So, nagsimula na naman ang Comelec ng pagbukas ng kanilang registration for year 2024 ngayong month. So, ang registration period is from February 12, 2024 until September 30, 2024 except yung Holy Week. Holy Week for this year is on March 28, 29, and 30. So, sarado yung Comelec ng mga araw na yon, okay? Doon naman sa mga overseas voters, yan, assist ko kayo kung paano i-fill out yung iRehistro. Ito po siya. So, kailangan nyo pumunta sa irehistro.comelec.gov.ph. Ito yung website niya. Okay? Ito yung iRehistro for overseas voters. So first, syempre, ito po yung makikita nyo pagkapunta sa website na yon. So first, kailangan nyo i-fill out syempre yung personal information nyo. First name, middle name. If no middle name, please indicate underscore. So if wala kang middle name, underscore lang ilalagay nyo. Pag last name naman, kailangan ng special character. Okay? Ayan. Ito pala yung mga special character. So, pipili ka lang po dito. Tapos, suffix, yan. Yan, pili lang po kayo dyan. Date of birth, ang format is month, day, and year. Then, sex, female or male lang. Civil status, single or married. Status abroad. Diplomat ka ba? Dual citizen ka ba? Immigrant, OFW, seafarer, or others. Okay? Is your Philippine passport valid? Siyempre, lalagay nyo lang yes or no. Then, citizenship, of course, Filipino. If not, non-Filipinos cannot submit an application. So, sorry. Yan. Filipino lang siya. For Filipino lang. Next part is yung residence niya abroad. Yan. Address niya lang. Yan. Okay? Pakisundan po itong mga to kasi importante po yan. 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 Okay, lahat ng may asterisk, yan, kailangan i-fill out yan. Required i-fill out yan. Kunyari, walang postal code, edi ilagay nyo lang po NA. Tapos, special character, yan. Insert lang po kayo ng special character. Pindutin nyo lang po yan. Click nyo lang po yan para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga special character na kanilang ina-accept. Okay? PO Box, country, syempre, kung nasa ang country ka ngayon, kung saan ka country nag-fill out ng form na to. Then next is yung local voter registration. Kung registered ka ba voter in the Philippines, yes or no lang. Tapos, tignan natin. Okay, wala naman special. Okay, contact details. Contact details mo. Yan, mobile number, country code, and number. Okay, ito yung mga format. Check nyo lang po yan. Tapos, email address and social media. Hindi naman po required. So, email address lang po ang required. So, kailangan nyo po i-fill out yan. Then, lastly is yung authorized representative in the Philippines. Yan, pwedeng ka mag-anak mo to, friend mo, yan. Basta ilagay mo lang yung full name niya, complete mailing address, contact number, and yung email address niya. Then, review and generate application. I am not a robot. So, capture nyo yan. Kailangan nyo yan. O, bicycle raw. Nasaan? Piliin nyo lang yan. Yan. Okay? Tapos, after yan, i-click nyo na po ito. Review application to be generated. That's it. Yan lang po yung para sa iRehistro for overseas voters. That's it, guys. So, if you have questions regarding this vlog, please comment it down in my comment box below. And if you like this vlog, please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys!